you. Oh, thank you, Harry Butt. Oh, that looks loud. Longest time, believe it's real. Maxine, Kai, happy Friday's Eve. I hope y'all are having a good one. Oh shit. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna have my own. Hmm. Queens. Happy Friday's Eve. It looks gay. Yeah, it's pretty gay. It's your Saturday? Hell yeah. I remember when Mondays used to be my Saturday. Whoa. And I don't know if the shading is how it's going to go, but I guess it's gonna go like this. The work schedule you made for yourselves is Sunday to Wednesday with Thursday to Saturday off. Nice. Sometimes it's nice to have the weekdays off cuz then everything else that's also open Monday to Friday is also closed Saturday and Sunday. So like I have to go into my dentist office after work. That or call in so I can make it to my appointment. 37 months. Jesus Christ. That looks fine, right? Don't answer that. This is why we need UBI, so I can take off to go to doctors and dentist appointments. I'm a little disappointed in the tocino because it's not the texture that I like. Trans rights, absolutely. Fuck yeah. We're winging the shadows, guys. I don't know where the light source is coming from. Wanna tell you. You've given me. The Longanisa is different too, yeah. I can't believe this game gave. Eggman made himself a weird little digital child. And then he got sad when she when she tries to sacrifice herself to protect everyone. Deep inside. You love. I know now. Sudden family, right? Says goodbye. I'm happy that been your creation. Who allowed Eggman to have children? To be you forever. If I'm gonna go through Sonic Frontiers, I'm gonna play on easy baby mode. Because I've seen not baby mode, and that shit looks hard. Oh man. Do we want to take a look at the Halloween store? Spirit Halloween at some point. They've moved into the CVS. Or not CVS. It was a Rite Aid. Genuinely disappointed that Shadow didn't show up in Frontiers, not gonna lie. It's you and your friends. I guess that's fine. Oh, shoot. Oh, dude. Hamish Boof. Yeah, that looks a little better, I guess. That's fine. Oh man, I don't want to go to work tomorrow, but I have to because I don't have any uh sick days left. I mean, I do, but if the game didn't save, I mean, it did. I checked it. It saved. I did save, but if for some reason the saving isn't working, I'm gonna put this game in the trash. Let's blast through with Sonic speed. How's the volume? I listened to one of my VODs and the volume sounded really loud in that one, so I turned down the volume a little bit. Oh yeah, we have to fight Eggman. Oh, it's not Eggman, but no, it is Eggman. Oh, ouch. Okay. Oh, okay. You're not gonna give me my rings back. Aw, dang it. Oh, dang it. No! That's fine. Okay, okay. That was just a warm up. No, don't attack that. I can't even get over there. Fuck this fucking Eggman ship. Okay, let's wait for it to fly over someplace safe because this is ridiculous. Ouch. Oh no. This one seems hard. No, this one it's fine. I'm just being a little ridiculous. I'm trying to cheese it. Whenever there's oh my god. I always try to look for ways to cheese bosses. Leave me alone. Oh dang it. Okay, this side doesn't have ow nearly as many rings. Give me my rings. as the other side does. Okay. So is oh dang it. Oh ouch. Whoa, let's not do that. No. I want to be on the other side. Okay, let me get some rings. Oh no, I did it again. No cheese allowed, yeah. Oh ouch. That's not fair. Whoa. Okay, don't go in the middle one because the middle one is death. Whoa. Oh dang it. Come on. Get over the lasers. Oh no. That was cheap. This is gonna take a while. Oh man, did I run out of lives? That's fucking wild. What's the infinite life hack? I just need to get the timing of the cannons. Oh, and these railings. Oh. Whoa. Whoa, that was close. Oh no, not again. Wait. What do you mean I can't run under this thing? Okay, that's two cannons down. Whoa! Okay, that was bullshit. I have to start all over. It's okay. Oh, I did it again. Uh oh. Uh oh. Hello? Oh, ouch. Okay, okay. Can I? I'm gonna save state it here because fuck this. I need to get to the other cannon. Give me 2 seconds. I'm not gonna go through all of that again. Okay, but how? Can I just? I mean, it's working, right? The win. Is that it? It's not it. We've got like one more. Oops. Cheesed. What do you mean he's getting away? Oh, ouch. Oh, ouch. Wait, if I use the team blast. Oh, whoa. Can I please use the team blast? Am I gonna hit it? I don't know. Did I win? Does Eggman just have a lot of money? Whoa. Thank you for the rings. I lost a lot of them there. Oh, it's a fake Eggman? It's a fake? Oh man, look, it's a whale. What do you mean it's not an Eggman robot? Huh? Uh oh. Uh oh. Are you telling me Eggman's not behind all this? Frog Forest. Oh, this is cute. Whoa. Hello, frog. Ooh. Why do they make them? Why do the? Why do? Why can these frogs summon rain? Frog? Whoa! Oh man, this is like the mushroom forest. Oh no, I didn't want that key. Whoa! What is this? Why is it spinning? Frog. Whoa. Oh shoot! I hit the wrong button. I love that Knuckles can just carry Sonic and Tails in his fists like that. Oh man, that's cool. Yeah, really steep. You think so, Knuckles? Oops. Oh shoot. Foggy. Oh, release me. I miss when Sonic had his little bouncy thing. No! How did I miss? When was the last checkpoint? Oh, dang, this is far. Oops. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I like the music in this. Ooh. Are we going to this frog here? Hi, frog. But why make it rain? Oh. Oh, dang it. Wait, is this the mushroom? Jesus Christ. Okay, but what's down here? Oh no. Whoa, what the? Oh, okay. I was gonna be pissed. Oh, please let me punch. No! Why would they do that? Oh. What if I grind so fast I grind off of it? Hey. E, let's go. E for excellent. Lost Jungle? Haven't we been here before? Whoa, what the hell? Is it dead? I guess. What? No, this frog ungrew everything. Ow! No! Why would they do that? They're they're all dead. Tails, no. Oh, dang it. No. Ow! Why would they do this to me? Oh, no. Why would they do this to me? What do you mean I can't just go fast through this? Whoa! Just completely avoid that. Whoa! Knuckles is always like that. He's like, there's no way. Yeah, we don't have to fight them, do we? Not again. Oh no. I guess. They look so squishy. Oh, oops. Let's get out of here. Please hit everything. Oh, I didn't know they did that. They just pushed him out into. Piece of cake. Yay. Fog. This is so bouncy. Uh, where are we going? Why does this look like a beehive? All right, how do we open that? Whoa. Mm. Whoa, whoa. Are we going? No, we're going onto one of those vines. Okay. I don't like it. Be free, frog. I don't think this camera's helping at all. Up here? Oh, dang it. Why would they do this to me? Oh, checkpoint. Let's go. Hello, frog. This is so scary. Bye, Knuckles. Huh? What? How come I can't? Why are we facing that way? Oh my god. I don't like that. Why is it an alligator? Vector, are you related to this guy at all? Why? Bro, there's plenty more fish in this water. I'm sure you can eat. I don't know why you want us specifically. We're so tiny. Chomp chomp, yeah. Why would you put the goal up there in the middle of the sky? No, we died several times, so. Oh yeah, Shadow's supposed to be dead. GG, yeah. Rouge, why are you wearing a Power Ranger suit? That's my line. Nerds. You guys look nothing alike. Ooh, ouch. Oh man, I remember this song. Oh no! Knuckles. We need to get Knuckles back. Ooh, ouch. Whoa! Wait, no, I won. Look, everybody's dead. Team Shadow. I remember this song. Okay, you know what? Let's punch. We'll punch. What are you punching, Knuckles? Sorry, I'm trying to cheese it again. Oh, ouch. Are you kidding me? How come they get chaos control? What the hell? Oh my god! Ooh. Oh wow. Whoa. Oh whoa, hey! Oh, that's cheap. That's hella cheap. Knuckles using Sonic as and Tails as boxing gloves is hilarious, right? Ooh. Ooh. So is the play here just punching? What is this? Nope, that was a bad move. That was I wanted to see what would happen. That was a bad move. So I guess the plan here is just punch people. But I'm supposed to punch them off the stage, I think. Can I get like a lock on? I can't see. Oh my god. Omega, please. I can't even see him. Where the hell? Huh? I don't even know what I did. I couldn't even see them. Get their ass. I couldn't even see their asses. What did I do? I spammed the punch button. I couldn't even see anything. They just spontaneously combusted. Yeah. Guess they felt sorry for me. I don't know. Hang Castle? What's after Sonic Heroes? Shadow? I don't know if I want to do all the endings, but if I want to get like the true ending, you have to do all three endings, right? Oh no, is this place haunted? Why is it haunted? Hello? No, I don't like this. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. How does Eggman control ghosts? I don't know. We're upside down again. I mean, this music is pretty good though. Oh, dang it. Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. Uh oh. Oh, what is this? Like a magician. Transform? What does he transform into? That's scary as fuck, man. I don't want to go down anywhere. The door is open. Wait, what happens if I flip this guy? I didn't even see it. Whoa! I like how these little swinging blades are there, but I think they're just atmosphere. Whoa. Are they actually playing the song backwards? Because that's kind of cool. I love when they do that. I know they did. I think they did that in. What the hell? What the hell? The end of that just fucking yeeted me to the left for no reason. was hella stuck. Okay, hopefully I don't get yeeted off to the side again, because that was fucking wild. It did, but I caught myself. But why would they do that? Oh, dang it. Okay. Oh, no! You know what? I'll just fly the whole way next time. Oh, this is wild. Okay. Oh, they did it again. Okay, it didn't yeet me off to the side this time. Oh, okay. Okay, Tails. Huh. Does that does that come nearer? Okay. We're Gucci. Why? When we lost Sonic. Oh, ouch. Rude. Okay. Oh, hold on. Oh, dang. Oh, ouch. What the hell? Okay, maybe it turns somewhere. It does. Okay. I don't know. Where's the hello? Oh. Oh, come on. Grab onto it, Tails. Eggman keeps up the haunted places because it, or yeah, because it keeps people away. Yeah, it makes sense. Oh, ouch. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, dang it, I missed it. Oh, dang it. Hmm. Oh, dang. Okay. This is more a platformer than it is a whatever Sonic is supposed to be. Oh no, okay. Oh no, where's the switch? Oh, can't open it now. All right, let's get out of here. What did that do? Oh, okay. Whoa, what the hell? Oh no. A target switch? Am I gonna be able to hit that? I don't even know what this does. Okay. Hmm. Oh, I only need to do one of them. Okay. Where are you going, B? Please, are we there yet? Oh, dang it. I keep missing the rings. Hey, let's get the hell out of here. Excellent. It's fun. We're still in the haunted castle. Oh, I guess we were outside. Oh man, did you say Halloween? Hmm. Oh, okay. Not again. Ouch. Oh my god. Oh, I did it again. Oh my god. Ah! Whoa! I didn't know you could fall off of that. Okay, Knuckles, don't fucking fall off. Whoa. Let's just avoid it completely. This place is huge, right? Oh no. Oh, they really want me to defeat everything, huh? Is there one more? There we go. Can you imagine if I just jumped down? Oh, dang it. We lost Sonic. I think the warning would have been better, or could have been better. Wait, but why? Why would I ever want to do that? Did I win? Ooh, ouch. Look at this giant skeleton. Huh. What about this one? Willa! Happy Friday's Eve. Massive boner, yeah. Surely I don't need to fight that. Oh no! I'm glad I threw that in there because. I hate this. I kinda hate that. What do you mean I have to think before I jump onto a rail? If only. Knuckles punch. Oh, that's the wrong wall? Excellent. Am I here yet? I don't know. Oh, I was about to be like, what the hell? Just fucking died. I hate these switches that they put up here because. Yeah, okay, we're gonna find out. It's fine. Ah, it's not fine. Ooh, ouch. It's fine. Ooh. Aw, dang it. That's not working. Ooh, ouch. Oh, what? I was like, why is there one ring in this fountain? Of course, it's a trap. The super move is hella extra. Yeah, they should do it again. I think it's really cool. Well, now what? I don't want to go back down there. Oh, I almost fell. What is that? What am I doing? Am I just waiting for it to die? Oh, okay, I have no idea. Whoa! Okay, we'll try this again. Let's just speed up a little bit. What if I just let it go? Oh, another one? Oh no. Oh shit. Oh no. Well, this is going. Oh no. Bye, Knuckles. It's nice knowing you. This the skull is already inside me. Lug! It's Lug and the Deckies. Triangle jumps. Oh shit. We're suffering. Sonic Heroes is it's all right. It's going. The controls are wonky. I don't I don't know if it was like this on the GameCube. Sonic Heroes is a game. We just beat up Team Team Shadow for some reason, even though we're both going after Eggman. It feels like the camera is angry. Yeah, the camera was not helping me in the last stage either. How was Trails of Trials? How was Trials? Is it Trials or Trails? Oh, I absolutely missed that. It's fine. It's fine. Triangle jump my ass. Okay, I got it that time. You like Joshua and Estelle a lot. Ouch. Man, you're supposed to give me candy, not take my rings. What is going on? Oh my god. Ouch. This is like a Final Fantasy raid. Gimmick raid. Oh, I don't like it here. Twiles. Oh, trails in the sky. So like the contrails. Turned them into cat girls and cat boys and made them potato wedges shaped like clouds. Yo. I think I think Joshua's voice actor is the same as Guy Cecil from Tales of the Abyss, which I think is absolutely hilarious. Because I heard his voice and I was like, where have I heard that voice before? Sam VA, yeah. I was like, that's real familiar. Altars? Okay. Okay, Knuckles, this is for you, I guess. Is it? What am I supposed to do? Whoa! I don't like that. Ooh, ouch. Oh no. Come on, Knuckles, step it up, right? Okay, I know I'm supposed to knock the armor off of this guy, but the last time I fought a guy like this, the armor just kind of fell off. Oh, there we go. Okay. Just gonna. Ouch. Oh, wow. I don't even know what I'm hitting. Oh, I gotta hit him on the head when he falls over? Whoa! Oh, dang it. Oh, this is the wrong. I was supposed to go over there as Knuckles. Oh no. The bells in this song cannot be stopped. No. Okay, let's try bait him over here, actually. Whoa. That did not open this. Why didn't that open this? What was the point? They got a song they're gonna ding dong. Oh, whoa! What do you mean as steps? This one also did not open. Am I just supposed to destroy everything in all of the different? Hello? I do not like this platforming. Whoa. Okay, that opened. Oh. Oh my god, we're here. We're here. All of that. And for what? Oh my god, look at that score. Oh no, not again. Oh, not again. Oh, ouch. Whoa. I do not like the gimmicks in this fight. Oh no. I hate that. Maybe I should save state after every wave. Where's Knuckles? Oh no. I wish that would hit Eggman too. Whoa! Ooh, ouch. Oh no. What the hell, Knuckles? I should have saved the attack for this wave. Whoa. Where did everyone go? Oh no. I don't know if this is gonna hurt the big guy, but I hope it does. Oh, I don't like that. Surely this is fine. Oh, ouch. Whoa! I only live once, so eat ass, smoke grass, and sled fast. Yeah. How are you, Alan? Happy Friday's Eve. Hope you're having a good one. Oh, God. Oh, you know what? Fuck you guys. Is that a baby? Oh, what the heck? Oh, okay, I can do that. No, can we not? Why do they have guns? Oh, no! Oh, ouch. Oh my god. How are we not done yet? Please. Eggman. Oh, I don't like this. Thank God. Get me the fuck out of here. Eggman, let us sleep. Surely I can do one more stage, right? Eggman probably doesn't even sleep. Wait, this is like the last part, isn't it? Is this like the last bit? I don't like that. Ouch. Clowns! Happy Friday's Eve. Surely I don't need to fight those guys. Why are there so many? Whoa! What am I watching out for? You wanted Knuckles so badly to say they really went over budget. Whoa, what is that? Unshield, you coward. Wait.
Whoa, he's bisexual. I didn't know that.
By the way, I'm bisexual. I forgot to announce. How do you turn this shit off?
Thank you for the follow. Cryptibee, is it? Whoa. Thank you for the rings. God knows I need it. Oh, I can go up and down. Go down? Why do I want to go down? Whoa! Whoa, get me down. Whoa, how do we get off this crazy thing? Oh, dang it. Ooh, ow, whoa! It shouldn't be allowed to aim at me like that. What the hell? Whoa! What kind of fucking bullets? Welcome back, Toby. Oh, that's just the... No, that's not what I wanted to do. It's okay. What the hell? Well, let's get rid of these because that's gonna be annoying. I should probably look up what the different levels do. Hey, let's go. Where are we going? Is this as far as we go? Whoops, sorry guys. Oh, hold on, this is gonna be annoying. Is it both robots? Oh. Oh no! Aw, dang. I have to go through all of that. Thundershoot doesn't actually work against these. The gap, yeah, the the one place out of all places to land. What if I go this way? What's on the other side? Nothing. I don't know what Rocket Excel is. Good job jostling that thing. When in doubt, just use Sonic, I guess. Nope. Where does this go? I don't want to know where that goes. Whoa! I think it's already dead. It's fine. Oh no, it needs to be Knuckles. Knuckles is just flying by himself. Okay, let's go. guys. Surely we can just triangle dive throughout the whole thing, right? Let's just keep going. Oh my god, a checkpoint. Oh shit. I thought that was one of the you know those gates that automatically change your the formation you're in? I thought it was one of those. Whoa, that saved my life. That was some bullshit timing. Hey, Mish. Give me this checkpoint. Pro gamer strats, let's go. Eggman has a lot of time on his hands. Go down. Lucky we got Tails telling us what to do. Where are we landing? Oh man, this is a narwhal. Whoa, how long is this? How long is this stage? Because this is kind of wild. Oh shoot. It's just not. This is exactly like the last ship we were on. Stop that. Stop that. Whoa!
Let Sonic take care of this.
Oh, that's not what I wanted to do.
Yes!
Oh, did we win? We won. Why isn't Tails in charge of flying? He is. He is in charge of flying. It's just... You mean with the propeller thing or when
No problem.
when we're triangle diving? Alright, it do be 8 o'clock. I don't know why Tails isn't driving the propeller. The core. We'll take care of that on Monday. Oh, look at that JPEG. I miss the Chow Garden. I wish Sonic Heroes had a Chow Garden. Nice JPEG. Yeah, he's crying. I think he wants attention. He boof. All right, who's on? Thank you for coming in. Thank you for the raid, Lug. Who is up? I can't raid Lug because he's here. Queens, CryptoB, thank you for the follow. And thank you for being here. Clowns, I saw you. Randobot's on. Randobot is playing Guild Wars. Guild Wars looks interesting. The character creation looks interesting. Oh man, but Cutie Pie is playing Darkside Detective. And Darkside Detective is one of my favorite pointy click detective games. Yeah, we're gonna raid Cutie Pie. I love Darkside Detective. I also love Cutie Pie. She's a puppet VTuber. I think y'all know who she is. Comfy, cozy, slightly chaotic. She's playing the second one. Yeah, I love Darkside Detective. Dooley and McQueen are my favorite detective duo. Bee. All right, I gotta go take care of the beast. I will see you all on Sunday for art stream, probably most likely, and Monday for more Sonic Heroes. Have a lovely rest of your night. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and I'll see you on the internet. Good night.